Good morning, my name is Sanju Kaka and you are watching Sun Everyday channel, and today we are going to discuss about how to create group discussion and HR round at a first go. This video is going to be about a group discussion. This is actually going to help for both the thing that for ICI interview of a bank position, phone banking officer also, and if you are looking it from an aviation perspective also, it's going to help you, because for group discussion and HR round is a both of a similar thing. What I feel, because I have given both of the interviews, and it is like good. First, you need to have a proper introduction, and the introduction should be like, hello, my name is Sanju Karkar, I am from that place, and my age is this. I have done a graduation from this college, and for experienced candidate you can mention your whole lot of experience and present it to them within 100 words. 100 words does not mean that you need to count each and every word. It needs to be a short description of yourself, introduction of yourself, not a description of words. And let's begin. Back in 2017, what I have done is gone for my first interview. I was very new to the interview rounds and all. I didn't even know what is a group discussion means, what are HR rounds actually going to be. And I came to realize that when I did my first interview, that group discussion is conducted in a random basis. They select for 10 or 20 people at a time, and they put forward into they actually makes it into a left side and right side of a conference table. When the left side is going to speak this, right side is going to speak this. For me, it was my social media. The topic was social media. I took post because it's a very easy one rather than cones. I didn't know about that much. But let me tell you one secret. I have taken digital media classes. I do know about little bit, at least little bit I knew about SEO, search engine optimization, how it works, analytic. I could have read that, funnel tubes, which we kind of drive from one point of view to the other point of view, and how to filter the audience. I knew about that. It was a little bit easy for me, but I took the most easiest part so that I can speak about it more. And what I did is that social media is a very huge platform. It has YouTube, it has Instagram, it has Facebook, it has Twitter, it has Pinterest, it has everything. It does help people to make money. If you are going to be in Instagram and take it very seriously, then you can earn a lot. If you are in any of the media, if that does of account, you are going to be rich, right? That's what I have told them. But in terms, what they told is about the cones, that it get leaked. The photos get leaked. That's a very stupid thing to say in the interview. This is not at all professional. Why would you take a photograph to get a leak on a social media? The first of all is that if I don't take objectionable pictures when you are going on a go or anything else, if you are doing for something else, The thing is that the cones of social media could have been like this, that YouTube changes analytic very randomly. We don't come to know, like if Facebook also do it, and if Instagram also do it, Twitter also do it. So we don't know the surface when it is going to change. Back then, if a 3-minute video is working very nicely, today it is not going to work that way at all. It is not going to happen that. So today in YouTube, we need to put a 10-minute or a 7-minute video at least to grow the channel, and for which most of the channel has gone into a drastically downwards. We need to continue everything. That's why it is like very scary. I do have one of the channel which is like DLED class. I took my DLED class, that is back in 2019, I guess. We did have proper videos. It has 3,000 views, but people don't subscribe like you do right now. You are not subscribing, so kindly do subscribe in my channel, because I have put a grooming lesson there in my description box. I'm going to put it. There is a CV, how to make it. I have also put it, so it's going to help you, right? That's how we are going to work today. Okay. HR round, I have not talked about it, right? The HR round is a very simple round. They are going to ask you on the basis of what the point you have written in your CV. The CV is basically I was freshers, I don't know what to do. I put my botany graduation, my name, my age, my qualification, education qualification and all. And she took what, since I am a botany graduation, she had a rose plant in that office room. And what she said, what is the name of that plant? I will say rose. No dear, scientific name of rose. Guess what? I don't know. Guess what? I don't know yet now. Till now, I'm not very much confused. I'm confused actually. But the best thing is that I knew of a Rosa sinensis, which is known as a China rose, which is found in every household of India. Right? I'm from Assam, and this rose is prevailing in a lot of Rosa sinensis. So I tell her that this is the thing, and in fact, she is not going to be like very convinced with it. So what I put forward is that, ma'am, look, I don't know about the rose plant name, scientific name, but I know how to grow. Basically, botany is not about reading the scientific names only. We need to know how to grow the plant. So I told her that if you need to cut this portion, you need to do this portion, and if put it in the plant, and it will grow very bloomingly, and if bloom, and you need to put it on the sun, which is very common thing. That's also what I added. And you need to water the plant like about this time in the morning, that time in the evening, which I said very confidently. But I knew that if it deep down in my heart, it's not a reason at all. Never is not never going to be the reason at all. But I did have a very convincingly, very actingly, methodically, and today like the evening onward, they told me that yes, he can solve. Actually, he can put a solution which is not even right. The ma'am also told me that, look, I myself is a botany graduate. I have done MSc, but I know that watering a plant at a certain point of the day will not going to bloom faster. And I was like, what dad, what happened now? What to say her? She herself is there. Like she said, it's very okay. You can sold. That is the thing, that you can sell the thing. What we need in a phone banking officer is that little bit confident, and so that little bit confident, and people will be people will feel at ease. And what happened, one more thing I want to tell you, that for group discussion, whenever there is a group discussion, be very professional. Don't argue with persons. Arguing just led to one thing to the other, and it does not help you anyway. The person is going to be arrogant, rude, arrogant person who want to take it to a company. I would, if I had a company and if I see a person arguing at the middle of the road, if I have just crossed that person, I'm not going to like that person immediately. I would have a negative preview. So likewise, if you are arguing in front of me only at that point of time, I would definitely not select you, right? That's why. And of course, everything apart, grooming is also important. English is important. You need to आपको English सीखना ही पड़ेगा. This is important whenever you are going for interview, because without English it is not going to happen. Even if I say about everything, because हम लोग अंग्रेज के बच्चे हैं, you know that we have Britishers, right? We are mini Britishers. That is a very taunting thing, but we have to believe this. And we have to carry on the introduction until and unless of an Indian constitution change but dramatically, and they change that if this thing you need to do and that thing you need to do. If a language preference are going to be only in Hindi and introduction is only going to be Hindi, then it's a very different thing. But till now it's not happening. Multinational companies do prefer English speaking candidates rather than speaking in some other language. So, but for your convenience, I speak of English, Hindi and Okhomia. That's it for today. Thank you, namaste, and please